Good evening everyone, Satyam here from the Into the Wild YouTube channel. Today is my first solo camping YouTube video where I'm going to be showing you my solo camping adventures. So I'll see you in the wild. So we have a situation here. My friend who's supposed to come with me on this trip and who is a professional climber, but he got some important work to do and he's not coming. So the situation here is I'm all alone in this wild, and right now I have two ways to go back to my house and to go in the wild and do the adventure. So I decided to do the adventure. I'll see you on the way. Right, here's the way. Completely dark, there's no one around. Alright, so I have to wear the headlamp because I can't see any here. There's no lights on the road, and this is from where I'm coming from. There's Dehradun right there, and I'm going this way all alone in the wild. Alright, now I'm at the spot as I'm carrying my knife as a self-defense, and I'm carrying the torch. So as you can see, I've already checked out the whole area. So this is where I came from, and there's the way going all the way up to Mussoorie, and here's my ride. And over here, going all the way up right there is my way where I have to hike for at least around 20 meters, and I'm gonna be setting up my camp there. I'll see you up there. I'll show you my campsite. So this is the campsite. It's all flat ground, and there's the way where I came from. As you can see, my bike right there. All right, when I came here, I saw an owl was sitting here, and that scared the hell out of me. I thought, what's that moving? So that was crazy. And this is the place where I'm gonna pitch my tent over here. And there is your beautiful Dehradun. Alright, before setting up the camp, I need to build a fire because it's completely dark and I'm in the middle of the wildlife, so I need to build a fire. So I just gathered some tinder, some kindling and some fuel here, and this is my fire starting kit. So let's get started with the fire right away. Alright, now the fire is burning well. Now I can easily set up the camp right now. Alright, my tent is ready and my fire is going on. So let's just keep all the stuff in the tent and let's make the dinner. My basic setup is done. Here's my tent, here's some food, the stuff for the tea, here's a good fire. I'm sitting on a chair, and here's you can enjoy the view of the Dehradun. Alright, and now my tea is ready and it's time to make chili paneer. So as you are in the wild, and I forgot to bring the plate as well. So whatever you have to manage. So I got it. I got a plate here which have a sliced paneer, because one of my friends told me before making chili paneer you need to saute the paneer and make it crispy. Alright, here's my paneer, nice and roasted. The paneer got a good color, and here's a pack of veggies. I'm going to be putting veggies into that. We got some broccolis here and some capsicum. Alright, my chili paneer is ready. It looks so delicious, and it's time to sprinkle the coriander. Here we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's my dinner. I made chili paneer over here by the fire, and here's a cup of tea. Look at the camp, and there's the view. So amazing. So I'll just enjoy the dinner, I'll just finish it, and we'll see you after that. Oh man, this is absolutely amazing. Wow. So as I was having my dinner, and I want to show you one thing, that I'm facing this way because here's the facing my tent, and that way is the entrance of this place. and all around this place we got a lot of trees. We got a lot of shrubs right here, which is around this much tall. And here's my chair. At my back, it's you can say it's a landslide area where you can see no one can come behind me. And here's Dehradun. So that's why I'm facing this way, so that I can have a check on whatever's happening around me, so that I can look. My light is placed here and I'm facing this way, and again over here it's so peaceful and it's really amazing. I'm really enjoying the place. This is absolute silence. Amazing. All right, my dinner is done and it's time to do the dishes. Here we go, nice and clean. All right, I'll put it back here. So before wrapping up, I would like to secure my area because I want to show you guys. As I'm standing right here, this is the cliff side. No animal can come from this side. So what I'm gonna do here is, so that way I came, and from that tree to all the way here to that cliffside, it's all dry grass, and from there to again to the cliffside, it's all the grasses are there. So I want to make sure that my entrance should be secured. So what I'm going to be doing there is I'm going to cut a big pile of dry grass and I'm going to put it onto the way, because if someone is crawling anywhere from this side, not from the main side, I'm gonna be hearing it. And if something is crawling from the main way, and if I got no barrier there, and I won't be able to hear it properly, so I have to cover that space. So this is the only way to my camp, and my camp is right there. You can see the flashlight, and as you can see, with the help of this nice long saw, I put some dry grass here on the way, so that if anyone try to comes and cross this, I'm definitely gonna hear the noise. You know what, it's so amazing to sit by the fire in the middle of nowhere and watching the view of Dehradun like this. As you can see, I can see the whole Dehradun from here. No one's around and it feels so amazing. It feels like a meditation and I just love it. All right, so before bed, before going into the tent, I'm gonna be making a special drink which my Alaskan friend told me, which lives in Alaska, and they drink over there, and they have told me it's very obvious. The name of the drink is Hot Tang. I'll show you right away. So I've got some boiling water here, and this is my Hot Tang. I kept it in a sealed bag. So Hot Tang is you must have drank rasna or stuff like that in the childhood, and mostly in the summertime with the cold water. But if you drink the same thing with the hot water, it tastes like crazy. I'm telling you guys, this looks like so obvious, like you're gonna drink this with cold water, but now you're drinking with hot water. This is absolutely great. I'm gonna show you right away. Here is my drink. This thing done. It looks like this, it's like an orange juice, but I'm definitely gonna try this. Let's see. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Do try this out, man. I was enjoying my hot tang and I heard some noises right from there. I think there's something. So I increased my fire. I had a knife. I'm having a knife. And let's see what that is. Whoa, you see that? Wow. The hell's that? I need to get ready. I need to be ready. Here's my knife. Alright, whatever that is, come along. I'm ready. I think I should get back to tent because that's their property. I'm the foreigner here. I should not disturb them, whatever that is. Alright, so let's pack up. Whatever that is, just climbing on the tree like that. Wow. Alright, let's just take all my stuff back to the tent. But that thing scared me a lot. But bhai maza aa gaya. Look at the view, man. It's fantastic. Superb. This place is amazing. Alright, I'm in the tent and my sleeping bag is ready. I got my knife ready for self-defense. My other phone is here. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, just go out. Okay, before going out, I need to sit here in silence for 2 minutes and hear what's outside. Open the chain. Check out the view outside. It's so amazing. Look at that. Do check out the views. Wow, look at that. You can also see Shiv Mandir right there. Now it's hard to focus. Alright, this is my campsite. So I had a carpet last night lying around here, so I'm using it as my tent entrance. And so this is my campsite looks like. There's the entrance right there. And the animal I saw was on that tree, and I slept really warm last night and I don't want to get up. It was so cozy in there. Views are just overwhelming. Amazing. Maza aa gaya. Alright, so let's just get freshen up and it's time to make the breakfast. So I need warm water and I got my jet boil here. Alright, here's the sunrise. Look at those clouds over there. Fantastic. Alright, so we'll just start the fire and make the breakfast. Alright, last night when I was collecting my firewood, I saw this wood, and if you just take it out, there's a scrape of the wood. So this will act as a great fire starter. I'll show you how. And I have to place it here, and there's my fire starting kit. I just need to take out the flint. And I hope it works. So if I just scrape on it like this, alright, here we go. The fire. Whoa. My phone just ran off, and this is my other phone. The tea is ready. Just look at the sunrise right there. Birds all around me. As you can see, a lot of birds are sitting there enjoying their time. Some of them are on that tree. And what a beautiful morning this is. I'm recording this from my other phone, and here, as you can see, there's another bird. If you can see it or not, it's some kind of different breed. That again looks so amazing. Alright, I just got freshened up and it's time to make the bread. Alright, I forgot to bring my own plate, so I got this nice wood. I'll keep my warm fresh bread here, and that's my honey butter, and here's the tea. So let's just see the consistency of this bread. Wow, this bread is really nice and fluffy, as you can see over here. Honestly, this bread is really easy to make. So you just need 5 ingredients. Number 1, you need any flour like atta or maida or any corn flour or any flour you can have, and add a little bit yeast to it, and little salt and little sugar and just water. So these 5 ingredients is very simple to make. Just have to have a mix well, keep it overnight, and you'll have a warm fresh bread in the morning. And if you're gonna enjoy this bread with honey butter, it looks absolutely amazing. So filling, if you haven't tried this yet, make sure you give it a shot. It's so delicious, amazing. So I'll keep the piece of my bread here, and I'll pour some honey butter on top of it. Wow. Alright, I got some people here. Bhai log, are you enjoying the view?
Yes!
Woo! All right, the breakfast is done. Now it's time to wrap it up. And I'll see you all after that. Just for the safety, I got this medical kit, which have all the important medicines, bandages, and tapes, ORS, everything is there, just for the emergency. All right, so the bag is packed, and this is the stuff I collected from all over the place over here. So make sure if you come here, you should be cleaning all the place. क्यों भाई लोग? सही बात है ना? ये देखो, हमारे भाई लोग भी आए हैं और वो भी एक प्लास्टिक बैग लेके आए हैं. सो मेक श्योर अगर आप लोग आ रहे हैं, सो अपना कैरी बैग लेके आए, अपना सारा स्टफ यहाँ से लेके जाएं. This place should be cleaned, so whenever you come next time here, you'll feel blessed. Alright, so I've collected all the stuff and strap it up on my waistband, and it's time to leave. Current time is 10 a.m. and I'll see you guys down there. Alright boys, you all enjoy?
Yes,
I hope you had a great time.
yes, sir.
Please enjoy. See you all.
See you, bye.
Here's the way, and there's my ride waiting for me to go. And this is the barrier I made last night, but all the humans crossed it very well. They all went from there all the way up to my place. All right, here's my beast waiting for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm gonna be going to the house and clean all my tent and stuff there. I'll rest well. It's Sunday morning and I hope you have a great time. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Satyam from Into the Wild YouTube channel, and new videos will be posting soon. If you love camping adventures, solo adventures, so I do solo camping these days and it feels really great. So this is my way back home, and this is the way going all the way up to Mussoorie. So right now, I'll be leaving right now. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.